Just this one had no bottom though.
I love that.
Well, I didn't see it, you know, the gaylords so far.
And that's why we use gaylords for a rag out. We built several of those in other locations.
Have they not worked?
What we've ended up having to do, and I can't recall why, is to make them top loaders. We've never been able to, because of the door. So if the conveyor feeds from the front and the door is in the front,
You take the door off and you put a chute in there. So then you can get away with that safety wise. And basically it goes up into the chute with the conveyor. And actually,
oh, so they, yeah, I didn't even notice. So you think they did that for convenience?
yeah.
And is there a stop that can be put on that so they don't have to hold it when they load it?
There's a counterweight on there. You don't have to hold it up.
Okay. So I wonder if something go for something.
It's just a big rear end. But it's a safety issue.
Mm-hmm.
Because every time you have to close the door.
So you can get a chance to go to radio